Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100. This is my channel, as you can see, Crypto Global 100. This is my channel. Please subscribe to this channel for the daily uploads, for the daily updates. So what I'm today here is with Safemoon. You see the trending, Safemoon is in trending today. You see here 17,000 tweets here. So I thought I would make a video about the Safemoon, as I have also seen Safemoon in the CoinCap market. Its ranking is 2467 with the watch list of more than 100,000 people. That's a lot of people. And the circulating supply is also, that's approximately 110 that's 1 billion, and that's 616 billion. So you can say the supply is very large, that's why the price is low. But they say they have a large community because it's trending, and anytime it can, give you a good profit. So, but that's not a financial advice. Please do your research as well. This is the video how, if you want to buy Safemoon, how you can easily buy the Safemoon. So this video is about that, and they have the good community as well of 112,000 people here as well on the Safemoon, and they joined back in March 2021. So they have a good, they are very, they have a good following, fan following, and they are active on the social media. As you can see, they say the #1 researched cryptocurrency in the world in the last 30 days. So that's the situation. So if you want to buy, there are three options on their main website. They said that if you want to buy through PancakeSwap, it's very easy. Just go to the TrustWallet and purchase BNB. You know that that stuff is also available, is already available on the YouTube. But what I'm gonna give you an easy method is that the Whitebit and bitmart.com. Now you can go to this website, which is the bitmart.com. Let me give you this ID as well, bitmart.com. So this pair Safemoon is being exchanged, is already being, here on the exchange, and is being trading here in the USDT pair. You can buy, and you can buy some USDT pair of Safemoon, and you can hodl them just like any other exchange. You see the price is at 101, 102. So the price is a bit higher than this, as it is showing on the exchange. So you see here, you can buy through this. You make an account in this website and then buy, just like you buy in the other exchanges like Binance and the Bitmart. Oh, sorry, Binance and other exchanges. And this one is second, Whitebit. This is the exchange, and here I'm trying to find this coin, but I think I have to register on this website. Let me check here if I find Safemoon. Not finding. Let me save. No, let me check the fiat as well. Safemoon. So for now, it's not being traded as they have said, but they have mentioned that it is being traded. But so only two options are available for now. Where you can see, you can download, you can buy from the bitmart.com, or you can buy to the Binance, to the PancakeSwap. Here they have shown the method how to buy. Let's take a look. Download the TrustWallet. Okay, download TrustWallet, go to the browser, go to the PancakeSwap finance, okay, and go to the swap. And if you have BNB, just select the currency Safemoon and just select the slippage and just swap, and you're gonna get the Safemoon in your TrustWallet. So this is an easy way, you can easily swap that. So guys, this is the video how you can buy Safemoon protocol. So we have to wait for the this roadmap and what is their white paper says, and the link would be mentioned in the description. And they have a big supply. You see, the supply is very huge, so it's gonna take a lot of time to reach some amount. So because this was trending on the Twitter, so I thought I would give you an insight of this Safemoon protocol. And that's all for today. So this is not a financial advice. Again, I tell you guys, do your research as well. My thoughts were that to give you some the initial benefits, or might be you say, I just wanted to let you know that this coin can grow in the future, because a lot of coins nowadays are being hyped up on the social media, and that's how they grow. So this is the safe protocol. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves. Happy trading. Bye.